Okay, this is my bike. I'm doing a bike check on it. First, I have green ODIs. I have stock bars, stock headset. Sapient bars, Sapient frame, Sapient forks. What kind of tires do you use?
They're key and
Costect.
Condom.
Costect tires. I have a Sapient frame. I have a
one-piece cranks.
I have one-piece cranks. I have a gold KMC chain.
Yeah, you get. Oh shit.
I have one pedal that is that came with the bike, and one that I put on, and then my seat.
Changes colors.
And this pedal changes colors. It's purple right now, and at night it's gonna turn white. And Kenda tires, a stock seat, and that's it.
Show us how much it weighs.
Oh yeah, and it's pretty light. It's a light bike. Lift it up. Right. Get it over my head.
See?
So it's pretty light. And it's a Sapient capa Pro. So it's a good bike.
Gotta say something. Go out and cough them. Go out and buy them.